Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL One X, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system, and here on the second position we've got date and time, so let's tap on it. As you can see, now we are using automatic date and time zone. In order to set it manually, just tap on this option and click on off. As you can see, the date and time are active, so it means that we can tap on it and change it manually just like we want. Let's click on OK and let's set time and confirm with OK. The same situation will be with the time zone. Let's tap on the switcher here in order to select time zone manually. And as you can see, it is immediately changed. What's more, now we are using 24-hour format, but if you want to use 12-hour format, then simply tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, we are using the 12-hour format. As you can see, we can choose date format, so we can choose how the date will be shown. So let's pick something, for example, this one. If you want to get back to all previous settings, then simply go to automatic date and time and click on use network provided time. Let's tap on the switcher in order to activate the network provided time zone, and let's tap on 24-hour format. And as you can see, all got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to change date and time in your ALCATEL One X. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.